It's my great pleasure to be invited as the guest of honor to join the WCO Regional Workshop on E-commerce. Mauritius is strategically positioned in various aspects and serves a significant role in connecting Asia and Africa, particularly in trade and investment. This is exemplified by the signing and the implementation of an FTA between China and Mauritius, greatly facilitating trade between the two countries and paving the way for extensive China-Africa cooperation. With the upcoming summit of Forum on China-African Cooperation, we anticipate the further development of China-Mauritius and China-Africa cooperation across various areas in the long term. I would like to take this opportunity to reaffirm the close and amicable cooperation between China and Mauritius customs and extend my congratulations on the organization of this regional workshop. To start with, I would like to share some insights on e-commerce. Indeed, the emergence of digital technologies has sparked a flourishing global digital economy, fostering fresh prospects for international trade. The swift evolution of cross-border e-commerce, propelled by information technology, has revolutionized international trade dynamics, presenting significant opportunities alongside challenges. China embodies of cross-border e-commerce development with Chinese characteristics. The Chinese government prioritized inclusivity, strategic thinking, innovation, and cooperation. It consistently seeks to innovate development modes, enhance infrastructure, refine management policies, strengthen risk management measures, and foster cross-border e-commerce standardization and growth. In 2023, China's digital trade in service amounted to 0.39 trillion US dollars, marking an 8.5% year-on-year increase and a remarkable 94% surge compared to figures from 5 years ago. Cross-border e-commerce, imports and exports totaled 0.34 trillion US dollars, reflecting a year-on-year increase of 15.6%. China's rapid advancement in digital trade has firmly established it as a major global player in the digital trade arena, providing fresh avenues for development to numerous countries, enterprises, and communities. In a bid to enhance collaboration with diverse stakeholders within the cross-border e-commerce supply chain, particularly with the World Customs Organization and other international entities, I would like to recall that the General Administration of Customs of China spearheaded the first global cross-border e-commerce conference in 2018 in partnership with the WCO, which attracted over 2,000 delegates from customs, governmental departments, e-commerce related enterprises, international organizations, and academia from various countries and regions worldwide. During the conference, the Beijing Declaration has issued, conveying the consensus and the visions of China, the WCO, and other stakeholders regarding the development of global cross-border e-commerce, centered on facilitation, security, taxation, statistics, cooperation, and capacity building. Participants engaged in discussions about the WCO framework of standards on cross-border e-commerce, which serves as a guiding document for members in regulating and providing services for cross-border e-commerce. When it comes to digital trade rulemaking, the ongoing WTO negotiation on e-commerce based on members' proposals aim to establish high standard rules for digital trade. Participants have reached a consensus on promoting digital trade facilitation, opening up the digital environment, and enhancing business and consumer trust, with the goal of concluding the negotiation by the end of this May. China has played a bridging role and actively pushes for the negotiation process to achieve outcomes that are advantageous to developing members. Ladies and gentlemen, cross-border e-commerce stands as the most rapidly developing mode of trade in today's internet area and serves as a crucial pillar for constructing an open world economy. With a forward-looking vision, an inclusive mindset, and a synergistic approach, China upholds the principle of discussion, building, and benefiting together, aiming to establish common regulatory standards, advance the trade liberalization and facilitation, and support the balanced, transparent, non-discriminatory, and sustainable development of cross-border e-commerce. This workshop provides an excellent platform and opportunity to enhance dialogue, communication, and experience sharing among the regional customs administration. China is committed to enhancing cooperation and coordination mechanisms, expanding the exchange of information, fostering mutual recognition of regulation, and facilitating mutual assistance in law enforcement with custom authorities worldwide. We will continue actively engaging in and contributing to constructive discussions on e-commerce with the multilateral institutions, including the World Customs Organization and the World Trade Organization, alongside like-minded countries as always. Thank you all, and I wish the WCO Regional Workshop on e-commerce a big success. Thank you very much.